Method 2. Using flexi rods. Start with dry, detangled hair. This method is great if you are transitioning from relaxed to natural hair, as the curls will help conceal the difference between textures. It may also work on relaxed hair and microbox braids as well. For best results, start with stretched hair, like what you'd from a braid out. If you have long hair, part it into 4 sections first, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Secure each section with a hair clip. Mist a 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, section of hair with water. Grab a 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, section of hair from the top of your head. Apply just enough water to dampen it, but not so much to make it soaking wet. Smooth your hair down with a bristle brush. Don't get your hair wet if you are starting with micro or box braids. Instead, grab several braids and get ready for the next step. If you want tighter curls or ringlets, start with a 1/4 to 1/2 inch, 0.64 to 1.27 centimeters, section instead. Wrap the hair around a flexi rod, then bend the ends inward. Place the end of your hair section against the middle of a flexi rod. Wrap your hair around the rod until you get to the roots, then fold the ends of the rod inward to secure it. If you are curling braids, stop when you are halfway up your braid. Don't go all the way to the roots. If you want tighter curls or ringlets, use a straw or smaller flexi rod instead. Slide a bobby pin through the straw and hair to secure it. Flexi rods come in different sizes. The thicker the rod, the larger the curl will be. Repeat this process all over your head. Work around your head, section by section. If you plan on finishing with large, chunky curls, try to keep each strand a consistent size. This is not as important if you plan on separating the curls out into smaller ones, however. Again, if you are curling braids, only curl them halfway up to the roots. Allow your hair to air dry. If you have to run a few errands or go to sleep, wrap a silk scarf around your head. Not only will this hide the rods with style, but it will also keep them in place while you sleep or run about. If you are in a hurry, you can speed the process up with a hood dryer or a hairdryer. Use a low heat setting so as not to damage your hair. If you wrapped flexi rods around braids, dip the wrapped braids into boiled water for 20 to 30 seconds first. Be careful not to burn yourself. Remove the rods once your hair is completely dry. Your hair must be completely dry before you take the rods out, otherwise, the curls won't stay set. If your hair feels damp, wait longer or dry it with a hairdryer. Once you take the rods out, separate each curl into 2 or 3 individual curls with your fingers. This will give you voluminous hair with less frizz. If you want more volume, comb through your hair with your fingers or a wide-toothed comb. This is a great idea for relaxed hair. Don't do it with braided hair, however. Repeat the process the next time you wash your hair to maintain the style. In most cases, this style is not permanent. If you want the style to go away, simply wash your hair. If you want to keep it, you should still wash your hair as you normally would, then repeat the whole process. If your hair is natural, the curls should maintain their shape until you wash them again. After that, you'll have to redefine them with flexi rods. If your hair is relaxed, the curls may start to lose shape by the end of the day, just like naturally straight hair. You'll have to repeat the process to get th.